Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moy, and today we're going to be unboxing the Yeezy 700 V3 in the Azael colorway, so let's get to it. Alright, so here's the box, and you know we can't get started without our Supreme knife, and so let's get to it. Alright, so upon opening the box, you'll either get the model number on top of the shoebox or the bottom of the box, which just has the Adidas logo. So as you can see, there's the Adidas logo. And so let me take it out so you guys can get a better look. All right, so we have the 700 on top, which is the model number 700. And so on the sides, there's nothing because this shoe does not have boost. So all you're gonna get is the Yeezy 700 made by Adidas and your sizing, which is 9.5 for me. So let's see how they look. All right. Alright, so here's the shoe. Okay, so by the looks of it, this shoe doesn't have the one lace system like how other Yeezys have. I remember having the Sunflower V3s, and they had the one lace system where you would have to cut the laces to take them off. But on this one, it actually has the aglets, so you can take them off, and then it'll be easier for you to clean the inner sides of the upper. And so another detail we have is the exoskeleton looking upper, which glows, and I'll try to get a good shot of that so you guys can get a good look at it. I don't know if you can tell, but the upper in this little section where it looks like a net, it's actually like almost transparent because you can see the inside or the other side of the upper when you look through it with a light behind it. So that's a little detail too as well. And so we have a sock like fit on the ankle, as you guys can see, and on the back there's the Adidas logo. And so it's a pretty simple shoe, and since it doesn't use boost, I think it uses Ortholite, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be that because the other V3 had it too as well. So Insole is Ortholite, and then the sole is blue, like a baby blue. It's like a light blue. So when you get it, if you're planning on getting these, you'll see that they're very light blue. But that's pretty much it. It's a simple shoe. The toe box is actually a piece of rubber. So it's a toe box, a rubber toe box. The net feeling thing, it's almost like plastic mixed with polyester. I'm not very sure. If you guys want to go take a deeper look into that, you guys can go look them up. And also on the inner sides of the upper, there's two little reflectors. If you can't see them, they're right there. So if you take a picture, they'll most likely stand out from the whole shoe. But let me get the other shoe so you guys can get a better look at them. All right, so here's the shoes. So let me get the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. Alright, so that wraps up the video on these 700 V3s. Let me know if you guys would rock or if you guys would drop. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a good day or night, and I'll catch you in the next one.